Hi, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel.
I was supposed to say that.
No, but it's my channel.
That's my channel.
Fine. So let's read it. Ready? Hi, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. So today,
you're supposed to say
whatever. Today, I am currently in Eitan's kitchen. We are here.
I don't know what we're doing, but you told me something.
Yes, it is currently like 8 a.m. I'm here in the kitchen with the whole camera crew because today I'm going to teach you how to cook a romantic dinner for you and your girlfriend here in this kitchen.
Okay.
Do you ever cook in this kitchen?
Yes. I do a lot of air frying, and I defrost my Uncrustables. Oh. Which I count as cooking.
What do we have to work with?
So, obviously, you know the stove.
Yes.
This is an antique. It runs for about like probably $300,000, but we're not going to speak about that. It's very rare.
Okay.
And then over here you have the spices, the plastic stuff. So we got like spoons.
Got it.
And cups. And then over here you have our utensils. I don't know if you can see that from down there, but you could. Here, we'll pull stuff out. We got bowls.
Nice. You do have some pots.
We have a silver one and a not silver one.
I can make this work.
And we have a pan down here.
I love that.
Down here we have your shopping bags.
Got it.
Actually, like, you know how you have to buy shopping bags?
Yes. Well, now you don't.
No, I do. Because I always go to the store and I always forget that I have shopping bags, and I always buy shopping bags. It's very aggravating. Here is the pantry fridge station. So we got the fridge down here if you want. Stacked to the brim, as you can tell. If you need a pee or shower.
Easy access.
You can cook food, take a bath while watching food and TV, get out of the bath while you're drying off, finish cooking your food, go to the bathroom, eat, and then you're good.
It's
an all-in-one experience.
That's what I'm thinking. I want to do a affordable college date night dinner vibe. So, to me, pasta, always like romantic.
Uncrustables.
Let's do like a
pasta
penne di arrabbiata vibe, kind of like a spicy tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Some type of garlic bread situation.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Let's go head to the supermarket.
Yeah, I'll show you what we need.
Well, I'm gonna show you what we need.
We'll see about that.
One of us will show one of the others what we need, and then we'll get cooking.
Fine, let's go.
I'm kind of hangry. I'm ready for this. Okay.
You want a snack?
No.
We got tuna fish.
I will pass on that.
Okay, fine. Whatever you want.
Okay. We're gonna go inside. I don't know if they can let the cameras in, so we have some sneaky cameras with us, and let's go food shopping.
There we go.
Let's do it. All right. Where do you usually go food shopping? When you go?
So normally my go-to for everything is Target.
Target. Oh wow.
Let's get it going.
I wrote us a little list over here.
We got the food on the bottom and a little seat basket for you on top, Eitan.
All right. I'm a very chaotic shopper.
Yeah, I can see that. What bread's good? This is
bread.
Cinnamon.
Ooh, ciabatta sounds fun.
What do we need? Just slow down.
We need canned tomatoes.
I'll tell you a secret that I learned.
What's your secret?
These things tell you where stuff is.
Ooh. We need penne. That's spaghetti. All right, we need Parmesan cheese. Do you have that?
No. Oh, it smells disgusting.
Oh wow, that's pungent.
What does that smell?
I think it's provolone. Where is the cheese? Parmesan. Is that it? Nope.
Oh, knuckleberries.
Oh, Parmesan. All right, now we gotta get red pepper flakes and basil.
Let's hit it.
It's so cold.
You're in a refrigerated section, that's why. Where are we going?
We're trying to find basil.
I don't know what that means.
There we go, basil.
Now what? This is basil?
Do you have red pepper flakes? They're an expensive ingredient, so I don't want to buy them. Here we go. It's $4. I think we're good. Okay, so should we check out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check out.
Let's back up. Beat.
We're already causing a scene over here.
Beat.
All right, ready? Wait, do we have a bag?
We forgot the bag. Damn it.
We're just gonna carry it.
It's very aggravating.
We are not gonna use plastic. We're gonna carry. Let's head home. It's time to cook.
We out.
We're out of here. Alrighty, let's get cooking. Okay. All right, we are here. You know, it's an intimate setting.
Yes.
Let's definitely start by boiling our water.
Left?
No, you did. Just start boiling our water. So basically what we're gonna do is we're going to be...
By the way, that's filling the water. This would be boiling it. But yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yes.
Such a newbie.
We're gonna boil our pasta. We're gonna make a spicy tomato sauce, and we're gonna make garlic bread.
Okay.
Do you want to get? Whoa, water's like
it's
murky.
Fog.
Oh, do you have like a cutting board?
Yes.
Oh wow, I know that's a cutting board. It's like a placemat.
No, it's a cutting board.
Did you know how to cut garlic?
Nope.
Great.
Never have. I guess I'm going to.
Do you have a can opener? Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure we do. So we have a peeler down there.
Not gonna help us open a can.
Might be in a box in the closet. If
Okay.
I go check.
That's an efficient place to keep a can opener. Oh, you have one?
Woo!
Oh, wow.
Yes.
All right,
we
that's
have
great.
it. I knew we had one.
Wow, fresh out of the box.
Is it gonna like leak?
Just be careful you don't like cut yourself.
You're gonna cut yourself. Bam!
Great tomato
Professional.
paste, and then you can also open the
You
chopped
want to
tomatoes.
garbage this for me? Thanks.
Where's the
Appreciate
garbage?
it. Behind the couch.
Behind the
just
couch.
Bring it here.
With
the cap,
Do you have a
without the
cheese
cap?
grater?
That is actually where I'm not sure about.
Do you want to look?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna look back over here.
Okay.
With our,
Back in the closet? Okay.
we have a fire extinguisher if you want.
Oh, that's really helpful for making pasta.
Or you want a carbon monoxide thing?
Yes, please bring it over here. Yeah.
Oh, you want to pay our Spectrum bill while you're at it?
I think I'll pass.
Okay. Do like a nice falls.
There we go.
Oh, you are
Oh,
so
wow.
bad at that.
Well, the floor's already a little messy.
Oh. So now you're commenting on my apartment's cleanliness, mister.
So.
Is this good or is this like not good?
Well, that's slices. We want chopped. So like once you do those, cut it into like little pieces.
I'm getting there. I'm just asking if the process is going the right direction.
It's in one of the directions.
This is not working out.
North, south, east, west.
You know what? I've had enough of your sass. Is this good? Is this working?
I don't think any of the pieces are the same size, but it's not totally wrong.
This is not the knife to do this with, you know?
It's the only knife I think you have.
Oh, I
All
see
right.
you.
Oh, okay, wait.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
I
go
could-
scoot around. See, I'm going this way.
I'm walking here! I'm walking here!
Oh, I got the salt. Okay. Now,
So-
whenever you're making pasta, you want the water to be salty like the sea. That'll help flavor your pasta.
Salty like the sea.
Look, see, lots of salt.
Wow.
Very salty.
Which sea specifically?
I'm gonna grab a bowl. Let's see.
It should be on the bottom shelf.
Oh yeah, you have a bowl.
Blue ones.
Do you want a microwave?
What do you think this is? A millionaire's house?
All right, I'm now going to start melting our butter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little kind of garlic basil mixture.
Yeah.
Great. Oh, that's actually looking really good. Keep
Do you
going.
need more?
Yep, all done.
Oh, you know what I need? I've seen videos for?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a thing you put your garlic into and you just like press the thing on top of it and
Oh,
just...
garlic smasher, yeah.
Yeah, you should have gotten that for me.
I don't think people who cook use them.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's too... What is that?
I'm gonna place our garlic in there. Whoa! Okay, so our garlic is in here cooking while we're fixing the light. Then let's grab some of our crushed chili peppers. Do you like spicy food?
It depends on the food, but
I'll take that as a
actually...
yes.
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Ooh, something smells.
Yeah,
But
it's
like
the garlic.
not in a bad way, like in a good way, but like a smell way.
Like a smell way, yeah. That's one of our goals. Oh. I can hold it so that you can get a little more tape if that helps.
Eitan has to act all manly for the video,
I got
like
it.
he's helping out.
I help out with things.
Little did the viewers know the entire car ride you were not holding any of the groceries.
Our garlic is extremely sauteed, but it'll still taste good.
That looks
Great.
good.
That looks very good. Garlic bread. Do you want to put all that garlic into our melted butter? And
Wait, I got it.
ow, I cut myself.
Huh.
Our water is boiling. Now the only thing is not done. I don't think we're gonna have enough room in the pot to boil all this pasta. I'm just gonna add as much as possible. As much as possible.
So now this is washed
Yes,
and
just
cleaned. Ooh,
chop a little up
I
to
got
put
it.
in there.
I got it. This is so hard to chop.
Now look at this. So what I just made over here is this is our mixture that we're going to put onto our garlic bread.
I feel like this knife should be working.
Yeah, a little
better.
dull. Okay, now do you want us to just start spooning that onto our bread?
You know, in the culinary world, because you don't know this, we would turn this on the inside so that you don't
Oh,
drop
yes,
it.
yes, yes.
'Cause I want you to be safe, you know? I'm
Thank
trying to teach
you.
you new things.
Ow, I cut myself.
Pour like this and then just
Yeah,
drizzle.
and drip in, like get it all over.
Yeah.
You put some like
Put some
sexy
lotion
music.
on it.
Wow, 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 wow,
I've been feeling fine, baby.
wow, wow.
You guys are losers.
What's our oven at?
50 degrees.
That's literally impossible. We're just gonna have to like kind of cut the cheese into little bits.
Okay.
I'm now gonna season our sauce with some salt and pepper.
How
my God.
How do I open this?
What's your like go-to date night thing?
So I usually go out to eat on the date nights, but
Yeah.
I usually keep it cheap.
Yes.
There's this very fancy cafe. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. They call it the go-to. Like what many people say is that America runs on it.
Oh, Dunkin' Donuts.
No. It's pronounced Dunkin' Donuts.
Got it. I'm always single.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. The one is out there for you. How much more cheese do we need?
A bit more than that.
Like actually a bit, or like was that a sarcastic bit?
But see, as you can see, it's coming together. What are you thinking so far about cooking for a date night? Would you ever do this?
No. Yeah. Yes.
No,
I
but
would
hear
say
me out.
yes.
I think one of the best love languages is cooking food for someone.
For sure.
That's my love
In
language.
French. How's the sauce looking, Mr.
All right, I'm gonna
Chef?
give it a little try. Oh, good. I think it's really good. Let's drain our pasta.
Very good sauce, I have to say.
That's for. How do you use these ovens?
Okay, no, yeah. Yes, whatever you want to do.
Whoa. And presenting
To you,
and me,
everyone
and all the people,
that are watching, a date night
college dish,
with garlic bread and pasta.
d'arrabbiata. I think I'm pronouncing it right.
And I think, if my watch is correct, it was under 30 minutes.
Under 30 minutes, really
Yeah.
fast, easy, quick.
That's a quick
Where are we
dinner,
gonna
I
eat?
gotta say.
Should we?
We don't have we have a table, but it's too far.
Kind of messy. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
just
it's
sit
a
on the
little
floor.
messy, so-
This is a
good
intimate,
spot, nice.
intimate setting.
Yeah. See, legs are crossed over. We're sitting next to each other. Gazing into each other's souls.
Romantic friend date.
This is so
Imagine I'm
beautiful.
your girlfriend. I'll imagine you're my future girlfriend.
Cheers. Oh.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh, sorry, girlfriend.
Where?
Let me cheers that.
We could cheers this.
Cheers. I mean, is that not one of the best garlic breads you've ever had?
That's amazing.
Thank you. I think the two of you should have a kitchen floor date.
That's actually a good idea.
Just chill here on the kitchen floor.
Me, my girlfriend, and all the bodily hairs all over the floor.
Why are they there?
I don't know. You know, I sweeped right before you came, expecting it to stay clean. So now I'm assuming it's your hair. Whew, this is spicy.
But in a good way.
What? Oh, the spicy, not the hair.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, what should they do?
Hit the like button.
Hit the subscribe button.
Barb.
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the little bell.
Like this video.
Definitely
Bell
like
notification.
this video.
Comment down below what is your favorite date night dinner. Is it pasta? Is it not?
And send the recipe so we all can make it for each other.
Yeah. If you need us, we're just gonna be enjoying our little friend dinner. Well, it's lunchtime.
Lunch, dinner.
Friend lunch over here.
That's what I meant.
Cheers to friendship. Oh, nope.
That works. Wait. Oh, there we go. You gotta cheers the food now. Ready? Wait. Cheers.
Cheers.